Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about unlocking your motivation, gaining knowledge, and leveling up your financial game for a life filled with freedom. Point 1. Setting clear goals for financial freedom. Picture this: a life where you have the freedom to do what you love and make money doing it. It all starts with setting clear goals that excite you. Take a moment to dream big and define what financial freedom means to you. It's about chasing those dreams and creating a plan to make them a reality. Point 2. Cultivating a learning mindset for financial success. Cultivating a learning mindset is key to leveling up your financial game. It's not only about acquiring knowledge and also about being kind to yourself when you fail. Embrace failure as a natural part of the learning journey. Each setback is an opportunity to grow and learn valuable lessons. By allowing yourself to fail and learning from those experiences, you'll develop resilience and gain the wisdom to overcome obstacles on your path to financial success. Point 3. Seeking inspiration and building a supportive community. You're not alone on your growth journey. Surround yourself with supportive people and environments that uplift and inspire you. Seek out mentors and connect with others who share your passion for financial success. Cultivate relationships built on trust, respect, and shared values. Together, you can create a community that supports and encourages one another. It's about fostering genuine connections, exploring what you enjoy and are passionate about, and creating an environment that fuels your motivation and growth. Let go of everything that does not support your vision of growth in a respectful and non-harmful way. We've covered some powerful points here: manifesting motivation, acquiring knowledge, and building a supportive community are game changers for your financial success. Set those clear goals, maintain a learning mindset even when faced with failure, be kind. Surround yourself with supportive people and environments. Remember, this journey of growth is not just about the money. It's a manifestation of your resources to fuel your spiritual journey and your unique life purpose within the realm of capitalism. Embrace your spiritual essence as you navigate and find your way in this world, aligning your financial pursuits with your truest self. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated, keep learning, and know that you have what it takes to achieve your dreams. Remember, you're powerful. Until next time, keep actualizing your dreams, living your best life, and honoring your spiritual essence.